In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Deel for global employee onboarding in just a few quick steps. If you're looking for a seamless way to manage your international teams and ensure compliance, Deel is a game changer. Stay with me, because I'll not only walk you through the setup, but I'll also share some insider tips to make the onboarding process as smooth as possible, whether you're hiring employees or contractors. First, let's talk about creating your Deel account. When you sign up, you'll be asked to provide basic company details, like your business name, location, and tax information. This is important because Deel operates globally, and it needs to know where your company is based to ensure everything is compliant with local labor laws. Once your account is set up, you'll get access to your dashboard, where you can start adding employees. Now, let's add your first employee. Head to the Employees tab and click on Add New Employee. Here, you'll input your employee's name, email, job title, and location. Deel covers over 150 countries, so no matter where your new hires are located, Deel will automatically adjust for local tax laws, wages, and benefits. This step alone can save you hours of research. One of the most powerful features of Deel is the ability to send contracts electronically. After adding your employee's information, Deel will generate a custom contract based on the country they're located in, which complies with local laws. You can then send this contract directly to your new hire for signing. Deel uses e-signatures, so there's no need for paperwork, and everything is securely stored in your account. Let's move on to payment. Deel makes it simple to pay employees and contractors in over 120 currencies. You can set up automatic payments through Deel's integrated payment system or upload funds manually. It's as simple as linking your company's bank account or a payment method like PayPal or TransferWise. Deel also offers a built-in salary calculator to help you convert your employees' wages into their local currency with accurate tax deductions. Now, a key feature you'll want to utilize is the Benefits Management tool. Deel allows you to offer global benefits packages for your employees, regardless of where they are. This can include things like health insurance, pension plans, and paid time off. Deel integrates with a variety of third-party benefits providers, so you can customize the package based on your company's needs. Before you finish setting everything up, take a moment to review the compliance settings in your Deel account. Deel ensures that you're in line with international labor laws by offering localized tax calculations and statutory benefits. This is especially important if you're hiring remote employees or contractors in different countries, as you need to ensure everything is legally compliant. I know this sounds like a lot, but don't worry. Deel's interface is extremely user-friendly. And remember, you can always reach out to their support team for help at any step of the way. Deel also offers analytics that help you track your employee costs, so you can easily see how much you're spending and on what. And here's the best part. If you're new to Deel, you can try it completely free with our exclusive bonus linked below. This means you'll have access to everything I just showed you with no commitments, so you can test out Deel for your global employee onboarding needs. But before you go, I have one more tip for you. Make sure to check out Deel's custom reporting feature to ensure you're staying on top of your employee onboarding process. You'll get real-time updates on contract statuses, payments, and benefits, which makes managing remote teams much easier. To get started with Deel, click the link below to access your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore Deel. This software could be your ultimate solution for global employee onboarding.